Welcome to Vic Hair Factory. Refer us at www.vichair.vn.
See, one side is non-sticky. The other side has a protective layer which is covering up the tape. So I just like to take that off prior to starting the tape ends so I can do it much faster. Once you start your tape in process, you want to part the hair off, leaving out enough hair to cover up your first row. So I'm just going to go in lightly and part her hair off. And the way I like to check to see if I have enough hair left out is by taking my metal tooth comb. So everyone does their tape ends differently, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do mine. Some people will part the hair off and then tape the tape underneath the hair and go on top of it. But what I'm going to do, which is easy for me, is I'm just going to go on top of the hair first. Now you don't want to go right up against their scalp because you're not going to have that flexibility. So you want to make sure you stay a little bit away from the scalp. Put the tape on. You want to smash it down. Then you want to lift the tape, and whatever hair is stuck to the tape, you want to take that with the tape. You don't have to try to force too much hair in it. You only need a small amount of hair in the tape. And then what I do is go on top of it, making sure the tapes are lined up. And then you just put pressure on that tape to make sure it sticks together. So now you can see it has flexibility so she can pull it up in a ponytail. And this is how your first row will look. So the closer you lay the tapes, the more fullness you're going to get. If you don't want a lot of fullness, just put space in between the tapes. But I want hers to be nice and full, so I'm putting them close together, but not touching. And I want it nice and full, so I'm not leaving like any hair in between each tape. I'm literally just going in and starting the next row. And you always want to check when you're parting to make sure you have symmetry if you're doing a middle part. So I'm making sure I have the same amount of hair left out on each side. So when I do my part now, I'm going to clip this hair so it's not in the way.